In this video, let us see how to write a C program to check whether a three-digit number is Armstrong or not. A number is an Armstrong number if the sum of its digits raised to the number of the digits gives the number itself. A three-digit number is an Armstrong number if the sum of the cubes of its digits is equal to the number itself. For example, 153. So 153 is equal to 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube equal to 153, the number itself. So it is an Armstrong number. Another example is 370. 3 cube plus 7 cube plus 0 cube gives 370, the number itself. So 370 is also an Armstrong number. Let us see the high-level flowchart first. Start, read number, find the sum of the cubes of its digits. If the number is equal to the sum of the cubes of the digits, then it is an Armstrong number. Otherwise, it is not an Armstrong number. So this is a high-level flowchart. In this flowchart, we need to replace this part. We need to replace this part with the specific steps to find the sum of the cubes of the digits. So here, in this condition, we require the original number to compare it with the sum. So I am going to copy this number to another variable called temp. And now the temp and num are equal. That means finding the sum of the cube of the digits of temp is equal to finding the sum of the cubes of the digits of number itself. Sum equal to 0. Well, temp greater than 0. If it is yes, b equal to temp mod 10, extracting the last digit. Then adding the cubes of the digit to the sum. Sum equal to sum plus d cube. Then reducing the number. Temp equal to temp by 10. So this step is repeated until the temp becomes 0. Once the temp becomes 0, our sum of the cubes of the digit is in the variable sum. So here, once we exit from this loop, the value of temp becomes 0. So that is why we are not using num here. If you use num here, the value of num becomes 0, and when we reaches the comparison, we'll get the wrong value. So instead of taking the sum of the cubes of the digits of the number directly, we copy it to another variable and use that variable to find the sum of the cubes of the digit. So now if the condition becomes false, our sum is in the variable sum, and we'll compare the sum with the original number. If it is yes, print Armstrong and then stop. If it is no, print no, not Armstrong and then go to stop. So this is a flowchart to find out whether a three-digit number is Armstrong or not. Let us convert to program logic. Hash include stdio.h, void main, open curly brace. We require the variables num, temp, sum, and d. So int num, comma, temp, comma, d, comma, sum. Read num, printf, enter a number, scanf %d, ampersand num. Next it is temp equal to num. Next it is sum equal to 0. Next it is condition, and it is part of the loop. I'm going to use the while loop here. While temp greater than 0, open curly brace, go to the yes part. Inside the S part, the first statement is t equal to temp mod 10. Next, it is sum equal to sum plus d cube. Sum equal to sum plus d into d into d. Next, it is temp equal to temp by 10. So this is the end of the loop. Close the while loop. Go to the no part. So in the no part, it is a condition. So we can write if num equal to sum, open curly brace, print Armstrong. Print of %d is Armstrong, comma num. Close end of the yes part. So close the if body. Go to the no part. No part starts with else. Open curly brace. Inside the no part, it is print not Armstrong. Print of %d is not Armstrong, comma num. End of no part. So this is the end of the no part. Close the else body. Next it is stop. Close the main function. So let us execute this program. I have copied this program to an online container. Let us execute this. Let us give the number 153. See the result, 153 is Armstrong. Let us give another number, 370. 370 is also Armstrong. So let us take a note, Armstrong number. 371. 371 is Armstrong. Let us give another number, 152. 152 is not Armstrong. So that means our program has executed successfully.